Hello. We have a new bike to take camping, e-bike with Jenny Jean and to use at the campground. It folds. I'll demonstrate that for you. I have my helmet. It can go up to 20 miles an hour, which is awesome. And it has a bell and a case for your phone. Also, it has three. You can do like 1, 2, 3, and I guess that will take you up for your speed limits. But like I said, it goes up to 20 miles an hour. And I'm excited. It has extra seat back here. I have a carrier that I can put up there. But let's see me zoom around this circle. Just it's fast. Woo. This thing is fast. That's what I'm gonna say. I had to catch myself. It was taking off, right? Zoom, zoom, zoom. See you later. This is a GS bike. And I ordered it. Oh, you see the light? It's a light on. You can turn it once and the light will go out. But you can see, here's a kickstand over here. It was fairly easy to put together. This seat goes up and down. These are the brakes. This is the gas. Then over here, see the phone holder, the bell. Can you walk around? Come on, look out. The key to start the ignition. This is for your miles, tells you the miles per hour, your mileage. And it shows you your battery charge. Also right here, seat comes up. This battery is removable. There's a key. Let me cut this off. You unlock it. Here's my muscles today. There we go. And you can pull it out. There we go. You can remove this, pull it out, and charge it up in the house or wherever you want to. And then we'll just lock it back in place. Reattach this piece and then bring the seat down. And I like it. It was a great find on Temu, one of my favorite places to shop. And the price wasn't bad at all. They have nice sales. So I would recommend this cute little bike. Now to fold the bike to make it easy to carry, you pull this lever right here. You need some muscles. Okay. You can fold it right down. Right? And next you pull this up, and you can fold it. Oh. Woo, I'm getting stuck in between. But you get the gist of it. It folds up small. See it? Then you can put it in the back of your car, in your trunk or somewhere, or in the back seat. It fits just fine. A little heavy. And it also came with a bike lock. Bring that forward, clip that back in place. Turn this around. Look over. There. Whew. It's done. And it's back together again. I'll get used to it with practice. Getting it down and back up easier. Practice makes perfect. See you guys on the road. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Woo! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.